What is up, guys? This is Mr. Galbraith, and welcome back to World War I. Today our topic is going to dive into the beginnings of World War I. So, just look at this picture here. These men here are preparing to enter into the war to end all wars, as it was called back then. These men will join millions of others in battle to win the war for their countries. But the underlying question is, why was this war so massive and destructive? To fully understand it, we will be looking at the main causes of World War I. This includes militarism, alliances, imperialism, and nationalism. All these underlying causes will create a storm, which we call World War I. Our first major cause of the war was militarism. This image showcases the pride of the military. Countries began to pour money into their militaries and weapons research. This leads to an arms race in Europe. This map shows the alliances of World War I. While the idea of safety in numbers may keep peace and deter attacks, once conflict does arise, many countries can be pulled into an isolated incident, which we'll look at a little bit deeper in a later video. If you don't mind, pause this video and try to think about the author's point in this cartoon. This image illustrates the value and prize of countries to fight each other. Countries were eager to fight to either gain new lands or to protect their own holdings. The last of our main causes includes nationalism. Countries were fueled to prove themselves as the stronger, more impressive countries through the use of war. All these put together create what was known as the war to end all wars. The resulting fallout of these causes included millions lost in fighting, billions in damages, and a fractured Europe that will become right in a perfect environment for totalitarian leaders to emerge. Later, we will evaluate these two leaders, Hitler and Mussolini, which will bring Europe into a massive conflict never seen on the scale before. Thanks for watching. We'll talk a little bit later. Peace.